In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Base44. Templates are a great way to save time and keep your workspace consistent, especially if you find yourself building similar apps or flows over and over again. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find templates in Base44, how to browse and select the one you want, and what to expect as you follow the on-screen prompts to set everything up. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 workspace. From your main dashboard, look toward the navigation area and find the section labeled Community. Go ahead and click on Community. This is where Base44 brings together shared resources, ideas, and pre-built setups that you can quickly plug into your own workspace. Think of it as a starting library where you don't have to build everything from scratch. Once you're inside the community area, look for the option called App Templates. Click on App Templates. This will take you to a dedicated page where all available templates are listed. Here, you'll typically see different categories or use cases, along with template names and short descriptions that tell you what each template is designed for. Take a moment to scroll through and get a feel for what's available. If there's a search bar or filters, you can use those to narrow things down based on your needs. Next, it's time to select a template. Choose the one that best fits the type of app or workflow you want to create. When you click on a template, you may see more details, such as what it includes, any prerequisites, and a preview of how it works. This is a good point to double check that the template really matches your goal. If you're unsure between a couple of options, you can open them one at a time, quickly skim the descriptions, and pick the one that feels closest to what you're looking to build. After you've selected your template, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Base44 will guide you step by step through the setup. This might include choosing which workspace or project to apply the template to, confirming any connections, and adjusting a few basic settings. Take your time with these prompts and read each message carefully. If there are optional fields, you can usually skip them and come back later once you're more comfortable. When you finish the prompts, your template-based app should be ready to use or customize. From here, you can tweak it to better match your specific process, rename it, or add and remove components as needed. That's all you need to start using templates in Base44 efficiently and confidently.